What are you drinking?
$1 million margarita.
I bet you didn't cost $1 million though.
No, and it doesn't taste like $1 million either.
I am drinking a Sam Winter Lager seasonal. It tastes amazing. By the connecting fans on top, that means we're at Dave & Buster's. Oh yeah. We could win like tickets to get random crap and some decent stuff. But you have to play the right game. Waiting for food right now.
Hungry now?
Yes, hungry as hell. They told us a half hour to 50 minutes, and we waited about an hour and 20 minutes. And, yeah, should have had a drink at the bar, killed some time. Waiting for some amazing food. And what's here? Philly steak rolls, amazing. Bar burgers and wings. And I saved the sauce from the Philly cheesesteak rolls. What did you get?
The Jack barbecue burger?
No.
Yes.
No. What was it called?
Something Jack barbecue burger.
No.
Yes.
You're missing a word.
It wasn't Jack Daniels, no.
No. This isn't Fridays.
Jack Back barbecue burger?
No.
Cheeseburger.
No. What's my favorite game?
Blackjack. So Jack Black? Oh no.
Not Jack Black. Dude, it's the actor. Totally like you're eating Jack Black. That's disgusting.
So did Jack? Blackjack cheeseburger?
Huh?
Blackjack cheeseburger?
Blackjack
Barbecue cheeseburger.
Yeah, I'll put the whole thing together.
Okay, blackjack barbecue cheeseburger.